Do you want to buy a Google AI Pro account that is fully activated for 12 months? With Google AI Pro, you will enjoy Gemini Pro and AI tools on Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Drive, and Vids. Get 2 terabytes of storage, premium VEO3 video, monthly Google Flow credits, Whisk image generation, and more. Click the button below or message me on WhatsApp to get access now. Note, discount is only for the first 3 people.
Now, let me show you what you'll be getting access to on the Google AI Pro account after you've been given access. And mind you, the access will only be for you. It should be personalized for you 100%, and it's not going to be shared with someone else. You can even change your password because it's going to be your account forever or anytime you want to use it, right? So this is on Gmail. You can see that this Gmail is a little bit different, and you can see there's a circle which shows that this account is Google Pro account, right? So this is one of the features you can do on it, which is the Ask Gemini on your Gmail. So you can use it to summarize any email or do anything with AI on Gmail, sales pitch, ideator, and so on. So let me test this for an example. Let me just click on summarize this mail. It's going to summarize. You can see it's able to summarize this email that you can see right here. So that is one of the features that you can use it for. And another thing right here is the Google Gemini itself. So this is Gemini right here, and you can see you'll be able to have access to the Pro of Gemini, which you can use for different things, reasoning, maths, and code, and so on and so forth. You can also create video. You can see generate VEO3 video. You can do deep research. You can do canvas, image generation, and so on and so forth. And you can see the circle right here. You can see the Pro tag right here as well, and you'll be getting access to this for 12 months. Now let me go to the Google Sheet aspect. So this is Google Sheets. As you can see, you can also use the Ask Gemini right here, whereby you can use Gemini features on the Google Sheets directly. You can tell it to make an edit for you. You can tell it to calculate something from the Google Sheets or anything right there. So now let me go to Google Drive. So this is Google Drive right here. You can see you can also still use Ask Gemini, catch me up, summarize a folder, learn about Gemini in Drive, and so on and so forth. Also, you will be able to have access to 2 terabytes. You can see 2 terabytes, and it's going to be for the 12 months that the account is going to be Pro. 2 terabytes. That means you will have cloud storage of 2 terabytes to upload or download anything you like. You will also get access to the Google Flow, where you can generate AI video, and as you can see right now, it's going to be giving you 1000 AI credits every single month. As you can see, this is 1000 AI credit right here, and once it's finished, the following months they are going to renew it by giving you another 1000 AI credits, and that's how it's going to be for the 12 months. So now this is an example of a video that I generated on Google Flow right now. Let me play it so that you can see how it works.
Get access to Google AI Pro today, guy. Don't miss it.
You can see that is really wonderful. Just from a simple prompt that I gave it, create a video of a Nigerian man that says get access to Google AI Pro today, guys. Don't miss it. That is really wonderful. And you will also get access to the premium of Google Vids, whereby you can create unlimited AI image generations. You can generate unlimited AI. You can also add images right here. You can also do prompts. So let me pick a random prompt and create an image so you can see how it works. So you can see the image generated from my prompts right here. So you'll be getting access to this as well. And another thing right here is the AI text to speech generator, which is the Google AI text to speech generator. So you can also access that from here. You can pick different
Ready to build something awesome
characters.
today?
You can see male, female.
Got a project in mind?
So you can just input your text right here, and it's going to generate an audio for you. So these are the things you'll be able to get access to when you get this Google AI Pro account. So this is another tool that you can use on the Google AI Pro account. You can see it has Pro right here, which is called Notebook LM. It's also created by Google, and what you can do with this, you can use it to do different things like project research, or you can use it to write your project or project in school. You can use it for a textbook to analyze some points out of a particular textbook, and so much more. So these are the things you're going to be getting access to when you get this Google AI Pro account. And mind you, everything is fully activated. So we are going to be giving you the account login once you get it from us. So you don't need to create it yourself, you don't need to activate anything yourself. Everything has been activated 100%. You just need to start enjoying it for 12 months. So note that there's a special offer for the first 3 people that will get access to these accounts, right? So the discount is only meant for those that will get access to this offer today. And make sure you click on the button you see around this video, or you send me a DM on WhatsApp today. So guys, bye.